Hello friends, this is Ankit. I am going to show you a small project called
This is battery eliminator, and this is our project automatic room power control come night lamp. So in this project, when we cut the light, the two LEDs, these two LEDs have become going on. Just cut the light, LED was glowing on. It's act as automatic night lamp. On the light, LED was off. Off the light, LED was on. On the light, it's off. It's our project. On off the light, LED glows. On the light, LED is on. When entering the room, LED first glowing on, and outside the room LED 2 was going on. Just entering the room, LED 1 glowing on. Just outside the room, LED is 2 on. Outside the room, LED is 2 on. Inside the room, LED is 1 on. Okay, thank you. It's on. Off. Thank you.
automatic room power control. It's an electronics project which can you do in your engineering last year or 5th semester. So kindly see it. It is a very interesting project. Hope you enjoy.